Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So earlier in the Salesforce Agentforce series, we have learned about introduction to Agentforce, then how we can create and deploy service agent in the Agentforce. After that I have explained the building blocks of agent, which are the topics, actions and the instructions. Then we have seen how we can create the custom action using the Salesforce flow and the Salesforce Apex, and after that how we can assign that created action to the agent. Then we also have seen prompts and prompts builder in Salesforce Agentforce, and also I have explained how we can use the sales email prompt template in Salesforce. So here I have created Salesforce Agentforce series playlist. In that I have added all these videos. You can go through it so that you will be better understand what is the Agentforce in Salesforce. Now in this video we will learn about field generation prompt template in Salesforce Agentforce. So now without any delay, let's jump to the Salesforce org. Now here you can see the home page. So this org is Salesforce Trailhead Playground org, where the Trailhead provide Salesforce Agentforce and the data cloud in this org so that you can get hands-on on the Agentforce. Now let's understand what is the field generation prompt template and why we need to create this template in the Agentforce. So here as a support user you got the query regarding any object record. So for example, as a support user I got the query asking about the account record information. So let me open any account record. So here I am changing list view, recently list view from all accounts. Now here I am opening this Edge Communications account. As I open the details, now to give the response to the query, here we need to search for the account information that we want to give as a response. Now here it would be better if there is a field that summarizes all the important information, and then the support user can see that information and then give the response very quickly. So for that here we will create one custom field, and in that field we will display all the important information about this account record. So for that we need to create one custom field, and then we will create the field generation prompt template so that all the important information that we want to add in that field or summarize that field we can create using the custom action. So here let's create account summary custom field on this object. For that click on gear icon, and then here you can see edit object, click on it. Now here you can see account setup. After that you need to click on this fields and relationship, then click on new button to create the new field. Now in the data type here we need to select long text area because we want to store the information. Now here you can see text area long, here I am selecting this one and then click on next. After that in the field label here I am providing account summary. Then as you click on this field name it will be automatically populate. After that let me close this one, click on next. Now here you can set the field level security, then click on next and then click on save. Now again as I open the account record, let me refresh the page. Now as I scroll down, so still that field is not reflected over here. Again let me refresh the page. Details. So sometimes Salesforce Lightning takes time to reflect the changes. Meanwhile we can check on the Salesforce Classic. For that here I am switching to Salesforce Classic. Again as I open the Edge Communication account record, then scroll down. Now here you can see in the additional information we have account summary field has been successfully created. Now again let me go back to the Salesforce Lightning. Now to create the field generation prompt template I will be explained from the scratch to the end. For that watch the video till end and don't miss any step, and if you are new to our channel hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. And before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We recently launched a Salesforce admin training course. In that, we explain every concept in a simple and easy to understand way so you can learn step by step with the confidence. So this course is for beginner to the advanced level. In that we have covered 10 modules. You will get lifetime access. So here you can see, here we have covered 10 modules: introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce navigation and setup. After that Salesforce user management. Then we also have covered Salesforce apps, object and tabs. After that the Salesforce fields and formulas, UI customization in Salesforce. After that Salesforce reports and dashboards, Salesforce data management and Salesforce flows. So in this course we have covered everything from beginner to the advanced level. So if you are serious about launching your Salesforce career, check out the course now. We have provided the link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's jump to the topic. Now let's coming to our topic. So before creating the field generation prompt template, we need to enable the Einstein in the Salesforce org. For that, click on the gear icon, go to the setup. Now in the quick find box, search for the Einstein setup. Here you can see under the Einstein generative AI, here we have Einstein setup, click on it. And after that, here we need to enable the turn on Einstein. So here click on this toggle button to enable the Einstein. And with the Einstein, we need to enable the prompt builder and then prompt template also. So here we have set up the Einstein. After that, we need to enable the Agentforce. For that, here we need to search for the agents. Here you can see under the Agentforce Studio, here we have Agentforce agent, click on it. And very first, here we need to enable the Agentforce agent. For that, here you can see, again here we need to click on this toggle box. And then as you scroll down, here you can see enable the Agentforce, which is default agent. Here also we need to enable this one. Now we have set up the Einstein and then Agentforce agents. Now we are ready to create field generation prompt template in Salesforce. Before creating the field generation prompt template, I will suggest you must watch prompts and prompts builder in Agentforce video. The video link I have given in description box, you can go through it. And after that, again you can continue with this video. So now here in the quick find box, we need to search for the prompt builder. So here you can see again under the Einstein generative AI, here we have prompt builder, click on it. Now as you scroll down, here you can see the category. Here we have some standard prompt templates, and after that, here you can see there is one flex template, which is the custom template that I created. Now to create the new template, here you can see here we have button new prompt template, click on it. Now in the prompt template type, here we need to select the field generation. After that, in the prompt template name, here I am providing account summary. The field API name, it will be automatically populate. After that, as I scroll down, in the template description, here we can give the short intro about the prompt template that we are going to create. So here I am providing. So here you can see this template is used to populate the account summary field information. And after that, in the object, here I am selecting account because we are going to create this prompt template or field generation prompt template on the account object. So here I am selecting account. After that, here you can see object field. That means here we need to select the field in which we want to display the or summarize the information. Here we can see all the fields from the account object, and here we need to select the account summary field that we created. So here I am selecting this field and then click on next. Now here you can see the prompt template workspace, which I already explained in the previous video. In the resource, we can see the flows, epics, current organization, current user, and then account information. The account object that we selected while creating this prompt template, then here we can select the flows and epics. Now to summarize the information or to display the information that we want to display in the account summary field, we need to create one epics class or the flow. So already we have seen how we can use the flow in the prompt builder. Now we will see how we can use the epics to display the information in the account summary field. For that, we need to create one epics class, and before that, let me again explain you. So here we will give the instruction to the prompt. After that, here you can see the model types. Here you can see the model which is OpenGPT for Omni Mini. That means here we can select the different models. That means as I click on this drop down, here you can see here we have different models. That means the model that we select, according to that model, the agent will give us the response. So here, now as I scroll down in the preview, here you can see, here we can select the related records, then preview language, and as we click on the save and preview, here we can see the resolution and then the response the agent will give to the user. Now here, first we need to create the Apex class. For that, let me save this prompt template. So here, before creating the Apex class, since we want this template to summarize the account information, first we need to give the instruction to the agent. So here in the prompt template workspace, here I am giving the instruction to the agent. write a short, so here you can see, write a short paragraph of the account as well as the contact created for the account having the account name as, and then here we need to provide the account. And from where we can provide the account name here you can see in the resource, as you click over here we have account object that we selected while creating the field generation prompt template. So here as I click on this account, then here we need to search for the account name. So here you can see here we have account name, as you click on it that will get add over here. Now here we have provided the specific information about the account. That means we are grounding the customer data to this prompt template. Now we will create the Apex class. Before that, let me save this field generation prompt template. For that, click on this save button and template successfully saved. Now click on this setup and then open the developer console. Now here I am going to create new class. For that, Apex class, and here I am providing the name account summary prompt. Click on OK. The class will get created. Now let me paste the code that I have. Now here you can see here we have created the account summary prompt class. Now this class, like our custom actions, which runs in the backend, collect the information and display in the account summary field. So here you can see the invocable method. This method is used to, if we want the Apex method to be available in the prompt template response, then we need to make the method or the class as a invocable method. So I will be provide this code in the description box, so you can check for that. So currently we have saved this code, and after that again we need to navigate to the prompt template. So now here let me refresh the prompt template. So now again here I am giving the instruction account information is given below. And then here I am providing the Apex class that we created. For that, as I click on this resource, and then here you can see earlier in the Apex also here you can see none available. Now we created the Apex class. For that, the none available is removed, and now we can select the Apex class that we created. For that, here I am selecting this Apex class, and then here you can see the account details, which is from account summary prompt, the class name that we provided. So here I am selecting this one, and here you can see the class is added successfully in the prompt template workspace. Now here in the preview we can check the prompt template is working fine or not. For that, in the related record here I am giving one account name, which is SalesForce. Here you can see the account is populated over here. As I select this one, then we need to select the preview language. So here I am selecting English, and then simply click on this preview button. So here you can see the resolution is same as the instruction that we provided to the agent. That means in the resolution, the prompt template is providing the instruction to the agent, write a short paragraph summary of the account as well as the contact created for the account having the account name as a Salesforce. So here you can see the Salesforce that we provided input.accountname.name. So here we provided the Salesforce as account name. Then the account information is given below. Here you can see the account details, Apex account summary prompt. That means this ID is taken from the Apex class, and then in the response here you can see the account name Salesforce has been established with the identifier, and here you can see the account ID, and this account serves as a centralized entity for the managing relevant information and then interaction. The associate contact, as I scroll down, details for the account can be further reviewed to ensure effective communication and relationship management. Thank you for your attention to this matter. That means in the response, we didn't provided anything, although the agent has been given the response as per the information that we have in the account object or account record. So in this way, we can create the field generation prompt template in Salesforce Agentforce. So I hope you have understood whatever I explained. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So whenever we post a new video, you will get an update. Thank you.